Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for January 17th. Team members joined together by volunteering for the U.S. Hunger MLK Day of Service Million Meal Pack at the Orange County Convention Center. This event is part of a collective effort to combat hunger and make a real difference in the lives of those in need. By packaging meals for families facing food insecurity, team members and other volunteers embodied the spirit of service that Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. championed.
We're here, we're excited. You can see the energy in the room. We're here with the U.S. Hunger Organization, packing 1 million meals for individuals in Central Florida and beyond. We've been packing a high-protein, vegan meal filled with lentils, red beans. It is an essential diet, and you know, we're in the business of health, so to be able to deliver this outside of the walls of the hospital with the U.S. Hunger Organization is just fantastic. Orlando Health's mission sparks far beyond the walls of the hospital. Today is just a small step in what we do every day.
It's important for us to be here today because we want to be able to address health equity and food insecurity. We brought over 60 team members here today to pack these meals so that we can contribute to our community. It goes along with the mission of Orlando Health to be able to serve our community and make sure that they are taken care of. One of King's quotes was that life's question is, how can we serve others? And we're happy to be able to do that today.
And in August, we sent a short survey to gather team member feedback on the Daily Highlights update email and the weekly Orlando Health News Review, and you responded. We're excited to share that thanks to your important feedback, we're implementing some changes to these communication tools. Starting next week, the Daily Highlights will be rebranded as the Team Member Update with a cleaner look and reader-friendly formatting. Your Team Member Update will be emailed twice weekly on Tuesdays and Thursdays, respecting your valuable time and preference for fewer emails. And you may have already noticed that the news review now includes chapters, clickable buttons within video segments for quick access to information on Swift, and an added segment of combined events. All enhancements are thanks to your feedback. And recently, the Orlando Health Critical Care Ground Transport Team was unveiled, including 4 new vehicles to provide transportation between Orlando Health facilities. These vehicles will ensure swift and seamless transfers for our patients.
Today is our soft launch of the Critical Care Transport Team, which is the 3 ambulance services that we're providing for Orlando Health. And we partnered with Air Methods to make this dream come true. It's umbrellaed under the Air Care Team. We have 40 years of service on the flight side. We want to bring that same quality of care to Orlando Health patients and the community.
As hospitals have expanded and as we see freestanding emergency departments and as the city of Orlando and a whole region has grown, we have more and more reason to have to move patients who are sicker and sicker, more and more critically ill, to get them to the right spot. So this gives us the ability to take the sickest of patients, no matter where they are, and get them to exactly where they need to be, and being able to provide seamless care in between. Our clinical providers on the back of the ambulances are going to be able to do everything that our flight medics and nurses were able to do, which is essentially provide the highest levels of critical care for transport available in the state of Florida. We pride ourselves on being the best at what we do, and now we're going to be able to expand that process.
And through the We Build Career Path program at Orlando Health, participants are provided a safe, inclusive environment to learn and grow within the healthcare industry. The purpose of the 12-week internship program is to provide individuals with unique developmental and learning abilities the opportunity to gain valuable employment skills.
So We Build is a program we started for those that have graduated high school that do not have work experience yet. And we found that in Central Florida, bridging that gap was a need in the area. So that's exactly what we do, is those that don't have previous experience, we put them in a 12-week internship program so that they can gain some valuable experience and expand what they do.
And here are a few dates to know. Check out Swift for all the details. Well, that's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. We'll see you next week.